Welcome back office executives. In this particular Excel video I'll be showing you how to create a age group, that is 30 is within 20 to 30, 46 is within 40 to 50. How to do so? So we'll be using the function floor. So what floor does is that it will be taking the value of 30 and it will be rounding it to the significance 10, that is B2 10 means the value would be 30, but we'll be subtracting 1 from it, so that whatever the value is, so 30 minus 1 means 29, and the multiple of if we are significance 10, the multiple, the lowest multiple would be 29, it would be 20, and then it will be concatenating with and within quotation hyphen, then again an ampersand and floor. So this value added up with 1. So if it is added up with 1, okay, fine, comma, and again multiple of 10 plus 10, so that so B2 plus 1 means 31, the multiple would be 30 plus 10 means 40 would be the answer, 30 to 40. So 20 to 40, okay, fine, it's 22 to 40, so 31, 30 plus 1, let me again evaluate the formula. Let me just put this inside a brace, enter, it's 20 to 40, so 30 would be 22 to 30, so I'm making some mistake. Floor B2 plus 1, sorry, it won't be plus 1, it would be minus 1. So B2 minus 1, 29, the 29 and the multiple, it would be rounding it down, so the answer will be 20. So 20 plus 10 would be 30, so 20 to 30. Now if I type the value 29 in here, it would be 20 to 30, but if I type 19, it would be 10 to 20. So again let me evaluate the formula. So 19 minus 1 is 18, so maybe I should give a value of 10, it would be more clearer. So 10, so 10 is 0. Why I am giving this minus 1, I am trying to explain that particular fact. So 10, if I didn't give minus 1, so the 10, the answer would have been 1. So 10 multiple of 1, so B2 minus 1 means 9, and rounding it down it would be 0, because 10 doesn't doesn't fit into 9 minus 1 since, and B2 minus 1 means 10 minus 1 9, and then we are having 10, the answer is 0 plus 10, it would be 10 to 20. So if I just drag all the way across to the down, so what we are basically doing is that we are subtracting 1. So if we didn't subtract 1, so the value would be, so what will be the value? So let me just clear this one and let's see what's the value. It's 30 to 40, but if I give the value in here, suppose the value is 30, it's 30 to 30, it should be 30 to 40. So now if I give the value in here, B3 minus 1, the answer would be 20 to 30. So what this one is doing is that it is for 30 subtracted by 1, it is going to 29, and the multiple 29 would be multiple how many 10 fits into 29? Twice. So 2, so 20, so that's the multiple would be 20, 29, 2 10 20, so 20 would be the floor value, and plus 10, 22 to 30. So we need to subtract 1 from the age value. So let me again show what I am doing. If I write in here 34, it's 30 to 40, that's perfectly fine. But if I write in here 30, the answer is 22 to 30. But if I remove this minus 1, the answer won't come properly. It's 30 to 30. So 30 to 30 means 30 is a multiple, 10 fits into 30 thrice, so 3 tens are 30. So we need to subtract 1 from it, then only we'll be getting a float value of 29. So 10 twice 20, and float means we are having 9 in hand but we are rounding it down. So that's Excel formula to find out the age group for particular names. So hope I am being able to clear out why we are using, I mean why we are subtracting 1 from it and how this formula works. That's all for this video. See you again for some other video.